Welcome to the Stoned Barista, your go-to spot for bold coffee and the best concentrates around, with a little flower love too. I'm Taylor, here to spark up your day with tasty hits, smooth brews, and good vibes. Grab your nectar collector and your mug. Let's sip, dab, and chill together. Hit subscribe and join the fun. Welcome to the Stoned Barista. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my iced latte at home. This is going to be made with instant coffee, and it is a whipped iced coffee. First, we're going to start off with a tablespoon of brown sugar, a little bit of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little more is okay, and then instant coffee. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. Some people prefer to use 2. I find that this way still gives it plenty of flavor. And then next, I'm just going to, off camera, take 2 tablespoons of hot water. And yes, it has to be hot in order for the texture to be correct. I'll be right back. Now that I've got the 2 tablespoons of hot water in there, I'm going to take my electric frother and I'm going to froth it until it becomes a little bit different of a texture. How much you use it in there is up to you. I do it till it's about that texture. I'm going to add some ice. Adding some heavy whipping cream. And some of the Planet Oat extra creamy oat milk. Stir. And enjoy.